Here we have it, the 716 factory tipper with some accessories on them. This is the Tipper Pro model, so you can notice the rope rails and the rear barn door on the rear. Awesome new feature. This one's got builder's racks, double hungry boards, a tow bar, and a retractable mesh tarp. The way they built this builder's rack, they've kind of built a protection or guide, so when you're tipping, things won't get stuck. It's a great little invention or innovation. And on the passenger side, you've got a meter toolbox, meter long that is, storing any personal items. You got your spare wheel between the cab. This truck comes standard with autonomous braking, a pre-collision warning system, lane departure warning system, vehicle stability control, ventilated disc brakes, ABS, and plenty more safety features. The shovel holder, extra toolbox, massive fuel tank, suspended driver's seat, scooter's a mess, steering wheel with mounted controls, fully automatic transmission, multi-information display unit, 3-seater configuration, great vision, overhead storage compartments, great little radio, multimedia unit with reverse camera, flick that button there, supports up to 4 cameras, plenty of aircon vents, plenty of storage space, little glove box down there for some extra storage, foldable seats, electric windows, heated electric window mirrors. I'll tip the little tipper for you. So flick the PTO switch on. There we have it.